This is Buddy's Poppet collection. There are so many here.
Yeah.
Which one's your favorite one, Bub?
I think I like the pineapple one.
Pineapple Poppet? That's cool. How many pops do you think there is altogether here, buddy?
I don't know.
Well, it's gotta be over 1,000.
Yeah, probably like 8,000 and something.
Wow, that's a lot.
I think.
Is that your favorite one, the pineapple one?
Uh-huh.
That's cool. Well, tell us about each one, bud.
I like the popsicle one too.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, I got the pumpkin, the heart. I think my favorite one's the dinosaur one there. He's kind of cool looking. And these ones are just huge.
Wow.
Alright, tabletop size.
And this one has 401 pops.
401 pops? Wow.
If it has that in the middle.
Wow, that's a lot. That is a whole lot. I love your Poppet collection. It's cool, bud.
And here we have this small purple train Poppet.
That's cool.
And we also have a big train Poppet.
Oh, cool. We got the big one and the little one, the giant and the mini. What other ones do we have doubles of? Don't we have 2 or 3 of the stop sign shaped ones? There's a big one there.
Yeah.
With the hearts.
These two look the same.
Oh, they do look the same. Even the colors are the same.
Uh-huh.
That's cool.
Small, big, small, big, small,
Super cool.
Here we have another heart Poppet that's pink and purple.
Cool. That's cool.
And this one has 200 pops.
Wow, that's a lot. 200. Wonder how long it would take to pop that one.
I really like this hexagon one.
Yeah.
Hexagon.
It's cool. I think there's an orange one over here that looks just like it, isn't there? Right there?
Yeah.
You got 2 of them, the yellow one and a...
And there's one that's pink, red, and green.
That's cool, the octagon one. That's cool. Yeah. And there's the big one like it. That's the baby and that's the daddy over there, right?
Yeah.
Look at that other square one. Look, we got the little square, medium square, and super size square.
Oh, look at this fidget.
That's pretty cool. That's cool stuff. I think I was the last one on it. I think I put them all in the right colors. You can line the balls up in the colors.
And there's even a star one.
Oh, I like that one. American one.
Yeah, it has the American colors.
Cool. That's what we are.
Mhm.
And you got the Mickey Mouse ones from our trip to Disney World over there.
Yep. And we even have a fidget spinner one.
Oh, that's pretty neat. Check that out. That's cool.
And we even have a bracelet one.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I think there's 2 of those. I think there's another one over there next to the diamond-shaped one.
And we even have a diamond one.
Oh, that's cool. I like that one. Well, it's a pretty awesome spread. Pretty nice Poppet collection, I gotta say, buddy.
Yeah, we got a pretty good spread here.
Yeah, that's nice.
And we even have a little baby orange cat.
Oh yeah, the one from the arcade. I forgot about the little mini one. It's so little and cute. It's a little car. Vroom vroom.
Yep, and we even have a purple fidget spinner
that
one.
fidget with the big pops on it. That's pretty cool.
Spinning so fast that you can't even see it.
Wow, it sure is. That's fast, bud.
And we have a ducky Poppet. So cute.
I like that, the ducky one. He is cute. Little quacky. What else do we have? Is that a pumpkin one I see over there?
Yeah.
That's cool for the fall.
And it has glitter on it.
Oh, it sure does. I can see it now. That's cool. Cool. Which one's your favorite one out of all these Poppets? There's an octopus one over there. And the little heart, tiny heart.
I think I like the big one.
Yeah, that's pretty big. It's got all the different colors, and it's got big pops to smaller pops.
And look, and we even have a gnome.
Cool. Merry Christmas, everybody. It's a gnome and his Christmas tree. Didn't you get that last Christmas?
I think so.
Super cool, bud. I like it. Nice. Well, thanks for checking out Buddy's Poppet Collection, everybody.
Please like and subscribe.